Welcome to ATI-Mirage training, situated in the vibrant Cloisters precinct in the Perth CBD. Our friendly team at ATI-Mirage welcome you to train with us, helping you and your people achieve success in today's fast-paced work environment. We work with you to select the right training programs. Our training provides the confidence, skills and mindset to get the job done. At ATI-Mirage, we have a team of outstanding trainers, coaches and facilitators, experienced in both online and in-person delivery. We are leading trainers in IT and desktop solutions and provide comprehensive training for the Microsoft suite of applications. Classes are held regularly, and we can also customize both online and in-person group training to suit your organizational needs. Our interactive virtual programs are facilitated for you live and online. We are the preferred training provider for many leading West Australian organisations, public sector agencies, small business and the important community sector. Our training will develop better people, better teams and better leaders with practical management, project management, professional development and IT skills. ATI-Mirage uses collaborative and hands-on learning methods. We share proven tools to help people to grow their mindsets and skill sets. In times of organisational transformation and change, future leaders are in safe hands with ATI-Mirage. ATI-Mirage delivers valuable training focused on building resilience. We provide wellness and mindfulness training for greater calm and productivity for you and your team. Our offices are designed to suit your training needs, with flexible rooms that can change in size and structure. We have quality rooms for hire and are the perfect choice for your next event. Our logo design represents the tree of learning. The green shapes represent our students, who are at the heart of all we do. We believe we enrich lives and empower organisations to grow. The team at ATI-Mirage look forward to welcoming you soon with our 100% quality guarantee and 5-star work-ready training.